Tomorrow will be the longest day. I think it's going to be even more difficult than today because if some rain comes, the conditions are so much more unpredictable. You just try to keep the car on the road. Let's say you try to do your best, but still anything can happen. So it's still a long way to go.
Broke the gearbox. Or the gearbox exploded completely. Actually, we lost all the gears. I mean, I guess the main shaft broke inside of it. So yeah, it went to four-wheel drive, front-wheel drive first, and then we carried on a couple of 100 meters, and then we stopped completely. So I tried to climb up the hill, but I couldn't.